Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and this is my smile story.
So 2017, I was hit by a car in downtown New York while crossing the street, and as you can imagine, that resulted in some pretty severe injuries from head to toe. A shattered face, cheekbone, eye socket, broken mandible. One of those injuries was losing teeth. And the actual accident lost 3 of my front 4 teeth. As a young woman, losing your teeth is not ideal. Teeth are quite important to the way that you look and the way you carry yourself, the way you feel about yourself. I used to be complimented on my teeth, like I always have been a teeth person, so I was really devastated that I lost them. I was referred to Dr. Boyd by one of my original OMFS surgeons, Dr. Turner. He was very confident in Dr. Andrews' abilities, and now I can say the same 100%. I've always been a very active, high energy person. So being in a wheelchair for 3 months, I was very determined to get back out there in New York. And specifically, I had set the goal for myself to run marathons again. And I'm happy to say that I did complete the New York Marathon. And very coincidentally, the Monday after that marathon, I came into Dr. Boyd's office to get my final teeth. So here we are now finished with the process. Which is amazing, and I have 4 beautiful teeth in front that look very natural and, more importantly to me, look a lot like my original teeth, which is great because, I feel that much more like myself. Pretty cool, pretty good ending.